Or will you think that it will be very lenient for the criminals?
Some SPs have been tried. For petty cases, they have given community service, even in Kota. Some petty, they have given libraries ka saaf safai karna. In new criminal laws, it has been, there is a provision. So we started following up because it's a good reformative. For petty crimes, there are a lot of reasons. Awareness, lack of awareness, and illiteracy, and poor. These are the poverty, these are the some of the problems. So it's a good initiative, we are also following it.
Ma'am, one more question. Like introduction of this community service, it is for the petty crimes. So the petty crimes will be done by the repetitive offenders, which have already
नहीं, petty, repeatedly offenders, what is the reason? That we have to analyze. Reason क्या है? So petty, ये 1,000-2,000 रुपीस के लिए चोरी कर रहे हैं क्या? उनको जेल जाने की क्या ज़रूरत है? मे बी उनका कुछ घर पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा, कुछ खरीदना है उनके पास, उनका लेबर नहीं मिला होगा. So there are so many criteria. So SP will do analysis on those criteria and again they will do accordingly.
Thank you for the insights. Thank you.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Here. Ma'am, recently 3 significant bills have been proposed in the Parliament, one of which states that any minister punished with the sentence of 5 years and jail for 30 consecutive days will be removed from office. While the intention is to ensure accountability, there could also be negative repercussions. For example, in cases where an individual is later proven innocent, in such scenarios, how do you think AI can play a role in ensuring fairness and minimizing such unintended consequences in governance?
AI is a tool, so it can't analyze what is the perception of government officials, political agenda. Once it is under the purview of Constitution, still it has been only proposed, not come as an act. One act comes, then it will be applied in the field, then what is the use of AI, then we can tell. It's too early stage. Next.
Good morning, ma'am. I'd like to share my personal experience with a helpline number 1033. It's written all over the highway. So, ma'am, I was driving on Delhi-Mumbai expressway and there was this large obstacle which I think we can call it katta type ka on first lane where drivers are driving at 120 speed. So I reported it on 1033 and they said it is only for emergency, not for this. If there's been any accident, then call us. Like they are waiting for an accident to happen. They are waiting for it. Like there should be some sort of accountability.
No, there is an 112 number also. So 112, if you tell the, abhi for example 1090 for women's helpline. If you call 1090 and tells traffic, it will some particular purpose, it will act in that way. That prakriya, that procedure and everything has been processed in that way. Then it will get confused. The system also will get confused. If that is for emergency purpose, so you have to call 112. 100 is there. So where 100 को आप कॉल करके इस लोकेशन पे हो रहा है, तुरंत लोकेट पुलिस स्टेशन को बताएंगे, वो आएगा. So every helpline has got its own purpose. If the time permits, I would like to tell you one instant. It's with regard to sexual harassment of girl child. So when I was SP Tong, around 9 p.m., my SHO called and told me, ma'am, Banasthali Vidyapith, there is an institution, university, first women university in India. It was situated in Nivai, Tong. Ma'am, there are thousands of girl students outside the gate, and they are shouting, we want justice, we want justice. So local media has come. So I was in civil. I actually that 9 o'clock I got some discussion with collector. So immediately I have rushed in civil dress to the spot. So 30 minutes it will take. So I have reached to the spot. Then I asked the girl students, so what is the problem? Ma'am, we want justice. So look, tell me, then only we will do what we can do. Then they said, no, I want national media also. And I said, national media also. So immediately, देखो breaking news आ जाती है local media में, immediately national media also came. Then I said, national media also came. Then what else? मैम यहाँ पे बच्चों के साथ कुछ harassment, sexual harassment हो गया है. So ये हमारा administration, they want to cover that matter. So we won't believe in any government system. I said, you asked national media has come. Then what else? No, madam, we won't believe in government administration because even previous years also there are so many ऐसे cases. So we won't get. So we want to solve. Around 10 हो गया. We want to solve the problem. अभी क्या करना है? We won't believe in. Then I said, I am also a women police officer. I have also got 2 kids. If you believe in me, you just let me entry, then I will solve your problem. But I will promise, because I am from Tamil Nadu, I don't know anybody here, so I will deliver justice. Then immediately they said, ma'am, we will allow only you. So only me with some 40-50 girls. So we have entered. Then वहाँ पे एक बड़ा building. So they said, ma'am, ये बिल्डिंग है, यहाँ पे बच्चों को अंदर लॉक करके रखा है. दैट इज अ चैनल गेट, बिग बिल्डिंग, चैनल गेट, वहाँ पे लॉक है, इतने बड़ा लॉक. फिर अंदर उसके कमरे के अंदर बच्चियों को लॉक करके रखा. देन आई सेड, ओके, आपको अभी मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे नहीं मालूम, आप लोग का आपका सिस्टम क्या है बनस्थली विद्यापीठ का, मुझे नहीं मालूम. देन दे सेड, मैम आप ये काम करो, आप अंदर जाके हॉस्टल वार्डन होगा, यू से दैट I am the relative of that girl residing in that building. मैं जाके वो हॉस्टल वार्डन को रिक्वेस्ट किया है. इन बिटवीन वो 40-50 इट्स वेरी डार्क, सो वहाँ पे बुशेस से कुछ पिलर से सबके पीछे दे हाइडेड. देन आई एंटर्ड, आई आस्क्ड, आई रिक्वेस्टेड क्या चाहिए, क्या बताओ. फिर वो बताया, मैं तो लेट हो गया, मेरा बस लेट हो गया, मैं उनका मौसी है, मैं तमिलनाडु से आया, उनको मिलना है, सो आप थोड़ा सा दे दियो, मैं 5-10 मिनट्स में मैं अंदर जाके मिल के आ जाऊँगी. सो इमीडिएटली इफ शी ओपन, सो ऑल द गर्ल्स बिगाइन द बुशेस एंड दे हैव एंटर्ड. सो अंदर एक महिला मतलब एक रूम है, उसके बाहर एक बड़ा ताला है. वो बताया, मैडम इस ताला है, इस ताला के अंदर बच्ची हैं. फिर मैंने बताया इमीडिएटली वो हॉस्टल वार्डन को, आई एम द एसपी ऑफ दिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट, आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड यू टू ओपन दिस लॉक, अदरवाइज यू विल बी अरेस्टेड इमीडिएटली. थोड़ा सा डर लग गया, वो तो भाग गया क्योंकि उनको बात करना है एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से, क्या करना है. इमीडिएटली दे हैव ब्रोकन द लॉक. व्हेन आई ओपन दैट door, 13 years old girl child immediately ran and hugged me and started crying for 10 to 15 minutes. Why I am saying you don't know anybody, मतलब पहले मुझे देखा नहीं है, पहचान नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. कितने उन्होंने टेंशन में, इमोशन में, मैं तो सिविल में था. Somebody has come to open that gate. उनको नहीं मालूम, उनको कितने दिन से अंदर रखा है, क्यों अंदर रखा है, वो नहीं मालूम. हाँ के मुझे हाँ कर दिया, फिर रोया. Then again we have followed all those procedures. क्या गिरफ्तार वो, उसके बाद वो महिला कलकत्ता से आया है, उनका यही में अच्छा बड़ा मतलब लेवल पे होना है. बनस्थली विद्यापीठ में so many speakers, बड़ा बड़ा लेवल पे, हायर लेवल आप डिग्निटरीज देखा तो वहाँ उस यूनिवर्सिटी से में आया है. सो वो सिंपल इंसिडेंट क्या हुआ ना, उनके साथ कुछ मोलेस्टेशन बाय एम्बुलेंस ड्राइवर वाइल शी इज हैविंग सम प्रॉब्लम, वो ये एक्चुअली हुआ है. फिर वो लड़की का कितने इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम हो गया, फिजिकली मेंटली कितने ड्राइन हो गए, उन्होंने छोड़ दिया है स्कूल. वो बताएं, मैं तो कलकत्ता के ज्वाइन करेंगे। उसके बाद आपको मालूम है ना, एफआईआर एक बार दर्ज करने के बाद कितने प्रोसीजर होता है, कलकत्ता से इधर आना है।